Southern Legend down near the inside, stepped away well. Singapore Sling given a positive ride out of the stalls. He's going to be very prominent here in the early stages. Singapore Sling looking to cross. Will Purton hand up here on Southern Legend? It looks like he will at this point. Count of Monte Cristo's on the improve. Then Blizzard and King Louis. They've fired out of the stalls here. A break of 4 lengths to Predator. Then Elite Excalibur, McInerney, Debt Collector. He'd be the best part of 12 off the lead at this point. And War Affair is last of all. They look to go quick early. 24.32 for Singapore Sling. Teeden's got him a length and a half in front of Count of Monte Cristo and Southern Legend. Third the inside, getting a nice trail. He'll just need a run at the right time from there. Then Blizzard. That gap in midfield's been reduced. King Louis is ahead of Elite Excalibur. Then Predator, followed by War Affair, McInerney, and Debt Collector, the local champ. He'll have to come past all of them to win. He's 10 off the lead. They come up towards the home turn, and Singapore Sling will be the first to see the judge. 5.50 to go. He's had neck in front of Count of Monte Cristo. Purton's peeling out on Southern Legend. He's into the clear at the right time and about to issue his challenge. Blizzard's running a bold race the outside. He lets down strongly. War Affair, Debt Collector still well back. 300 to go, and Purton's kidding to Southern Legend. He's about to let him go now. Blizzard the outside. Singapore Sling's dropped off. Then Count of Monte Cristo. Debt Collector still 5 off them, but with 100 to go, it's Southern Legend. The legend will be reborn 12 months apart. He wins his second. Southern Legend easy. Beat Blizzard. Singapore Sling kicked on for third for the photo. Debt Collector wide out. Count of Monte Cristo, Predator, then War Affair and McInerney. Further back was Elite Excalibur and King Louis. But how easy was that for Southern Legend?